Hi there. So this video is gonna be about like how to install wideband air and fuel ratio gauge on Audi B5 S4. I'm doing it only because of I couldn't find anything in the YouTube, so that's why I'm gonna try to make it like a small video about like how to install this thing in Audi B5 S4. So now it works. So let me just start from inside here. So here you're gonna just take this one off, and you're gonna have like a four bolts, like two of them, they're gonna be not a four, I'm lying, it's gonna be 6 bolts if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2 behind it, and also they're gonna be like a 2 bolts underneath here. So I cannot see them exactly, but they're gonna be here under. And also you're gonna just pop this one off, and there's gonna be 1 bolt behind it, and you're gonna pop this one off, and the 1 bolt's gonna be behind it. So just like this, you can take this one off, so it's gonna be easy to work on electronic wires, on the wires behind it. So this is the part that's gonna be here. And also let me just explain this way. So under this thing, there's you know, like whenever you're gonna open this, you're gonna see you're gonna see like too many bunch of like wires, and plus you're gonna see red wires, and those red wires actually they're gonna have constant power all the time. So if you're gonna just hook one of the wires to the, I'll tell you right now like what kind of wires you're gonna just hook up there, but let me just say this one first. Whenever you're gonna put like red wire on those red wires, so you're gonna have all the time constant power on your gauge. So whenever you're gonna turn the key off, still it's gonna be on. So what do you have to do whenever you're gonna just whenever you're gonna take this one off, let me be like this. So whenever you're gonna take this one off, close to this side in the back, you're gonna have like a bunch of wires covered with something like a cloth. And whenever you're gonna open that one, you're gonna see red wire with blue stripe on it. So that is exactly the power that goes to the key. So whenever you're opening the key, it's having a power. Whenever you're turning this off, so it's not having a power. So you have to just hook on exactly on that one. And red wire that's gonna come from your gauge, it's gonna go on that one. And by the way, you're gonna have like 7 wires if I'm not mistaken, but you're gonna use only 4 of them. And 1 is red, is gonna go on key 1, and that's gonna be right here, somewhere here. But that's gonna be again on the cloth, so you have to just take the cloth off, but be careful whenever you're gonna cut it, so you will not damage the other wires too. And you're gonna see the one red wire with the blue stripe on it. So that is exactly power. So your red wire is gonna go on red wire with the blue stripe. This is the first. And second of all, you're gonna use 3 more wires, and one's gonna be black, another one's gonna be brown. So when you're gonna open this thing again, you're gonna see in the bottom, let me just be like this. So you're gonna see in the bottom here, it's not visible, but again, you're gonna see like 2 bolts. They're gonna be attached to the frame of a car, and usually they're gonna have only brown wires they're gonna be on those 2 bolts, which is attached to the frame. And they are, my car is a white color, so it's gonna be on white colors bolts. So you're gonna just attach brown and black wire on that white or whatever color is gonna be yours, the frame of the car. So they're gonna be your grounds. and you're gonna have left another one that's gonna be white color. So that's gonna be white color, and what white color is gonna do, now I'll explain to you what it's gonna just do. What did I do? I just purchased wire from Home Depot. Actually, I couldn't find the 8. Actually, that's gonna be 18 gauge. So I couldn't find the 18 gauge wire. So like a single wire, I just purchased 18.2. And this shield here comes with the gray, and plus it comes with that is waterproof, and at the same time there's something in it that is heat proof. So that's why I just purchased this one. So black color inside of this gray, they're gonna be like a 2 wires and a 1 ground. So just avoid those 2. Like one's gonna be black, one is gonna be red, another one's gonna be just only ground wire. So just avoid the red, or I mean which one you want you can use. Just I used the black one. I attach it the white wire on that black wire inside of the car, and I just took this one. Now I'll explain how to do how did I just do this. I attach it to this one on this green one, and this is the way my tuner explained to me, so I just did it like as a tuner said. So whenever you're gonna open this one, you're gonna attach it to the bottom one, not the top one. You're gonna just attach it to the bottom one, and the bottom one, I don't want to just take that one off right now, but I'll try to explain. But whenever you're gonna take this, you're gonna see 4 pins, and they're gonna be like 3 in one side, 1 in another side, and that's gonna go on that one. And it is a black color actually, what comes in the car. So these 3 ones, you're gonna cut them. You're not gonna use them, but you don't have to leave them like this. You have to cut them. But how did I cut? I didn't cut from here. I cut it somewhere in the middle, like this one in the middle, to make sure that just in case, like in the future, if I want to use them, I can use them. And I attached that black color to the 4th pin, which one is a black color, on this one, like the bottom one. Then I attached this to the bottom one, and then I put it back again. And so I'm gonna have here, you're gonna see 2 more wires. So these technicians of Germans, they made it like a nice. So this wire here, that goes, I made it this way so it's not gonna just be I think it's visible. So here you're gonna have downpipes and everything, so you have to make sure that you will just not attach the wire to the downpipe or anything, because otherwise you're gonna burn it. So I did it in that way that it's not attached to anything. So what I did, this wire actually is gonna come with the pin like this, that's gonna go to the gauge. I'll show you right now inside, and another one's gonna go and attach it to the O2 sensor that comes in the wideband box. And that wideband box, I just that, if I'm not mistaken, that was like a 17-inch wrench. I just took the old one, I put the new one, and I I just snap it inside of those 2 plastics. Yeah, they're coming like this plastic. And this one, I took it, and there was like one rubber or plastic place where I just used this like as taking this wire inside of this place, and also another wire. You see this, right? Okay. So another thing, in here under this, there's a ECU box. So that ECU box I opened with 8mm wrenches. There's there should be like a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on it. Yeah, like screws on it. I opened this. Whenever you're opening this one, whenever you're gonna take the clip off from ECU, that ECU part, you're gonna see that there's a light that goes. You're gonna see the gap there in the middle here that goes inside of the car. So I did it with my friend, so that's why I'm gonna say it we. So we just put this inside of the car, and this one also, that just went from here, goes from here, and it's visible here too. You can see this. And that actually here on ECU, there's another like a plastic like this, so you can actually you can easily make a hole and just use that hole for throwing these two cables. And so these two wires, these two cables, they went inside, and under this ECU, I just put them inside of the, I just throw them like inside of the car. So and then you're gonna have them here. And so I just attach it. I just got the one, and from here I put inside of my gauge, and another one that is separate one, that one actually goes back of the gauge itself, so it snaps in. So another one, it snaps in too, and another one, it comes with the wires. And the wires, as I explained, it comes with 4 wires. One wire goes, you're gonna use like it comes like 8 wires, but you're gonna ignore the 7 wires, and one wire is gonna go, that is red, it's gonna go to the key, to the red one, like a red goes to the red one, which has blue stripe on it. And also there's 3 more wires. There's black and brown is gonna be on the frame. It's gonna be on a frame here, attach it as a ground. And another one's gonna be white, that is the that one that I just attach it with that gray one that I explained. I just snapped them together, and I used it to just take that long cable to attach to my O2 sensor. This is the way my tuner said it. Hopefully it's gonna be useful, this video, because I couldn't find any video that is shorter or that shows like how to just attach that wideband air fuel ratio gauge to the B5 S4. And if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. I'll try to explain. And actually it just works pretty much well. So whenever I'm turning this one off, on, starts like that first, and whenever I'm just putting so this is pretty much how it just shows, and hopefully it works. And now it is ready for level up. Thank you for watching. Just subscribe if you like it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you very much. Bye.